How do I change the design from my login page on my PremiumPress theme? Well, let me show you how. In front of me we have one of the sample login designs. So this is the auction theme we're using, and this is a sample login page we have built into the theme. So how do I change this and use a different design? Well, the first thing we need to do is log into the admin area. So we click on dashboard, we click on PremiumPress, we click on user settings, and halfway down the page we've got this page called login page. We click on this, and here you can find all of the predefined designs that come with your PremiumPress theme. Now to preview any design, simply click on it. It'll open a new window so you can preview it. So there goes the basic page. We have the current one, a dark layout. So you can go through and find the design you want. Once you've chosen a design, simply select it from the drop down list here. And if you want to customize the image that's used in the design, simply select a background image here. Now, if you're having problems logging in or you want to disable the PremiumPress login page, simply just turn it off here at the bottom where it says disable theme login page. So there we go, a very quick video tutorial. How do you change the login page design? Well, you do it in the admin area. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and I'll keep creating content just like this one. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.